Hi guys, I'm at NU Sentral now. I'm gonna run over to KL Sentral MACD. I'm meeting a couple of friends and we're gonna do some portrait shots around KL Sentral, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Apa hari ni?
Apa? So hari ni kita akan ada photoshoot lah. Kita buat siaran media tapi seorang je media datang. Oh ya tak? He pay me, yes. First free is okay. Second pay, nice.
Hi everyone, I have Sarah here. Hi. She'll be one of our model for today. And so we have another talent for today, which is Tasha. Are you excited? Very, but like it's been a while lah I shoot, and I pernah buat vlog juga for. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we have new friends and photoshoot, and we're gonna video, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So this is Tasha's friend.
Yeah.
Alif.
Hi.
I just asked him to be my model. Yay? Hi Siu. Hi Siu lah. This is Amir.
Hi Amir.
I'll put his Instagram here. You guys can check out his artwork. He's my photographer for my convo, and we still keep in touch. So today I curi-curi sibuk-sibuk ikut dorang takkan gambar.
Ngam.
Okay ke? Gambar okay ke?
Okay. I'm okay.
This is the
Pasal banyak.
birthday boy.
Pasal banyak.
Birthday boy posing.
Kamu
We gotta go because police officers were
Kena halau.
yeah. Tapi Alif tolong cakapkan kan, just now he tried to sweet talk the police lah. The sun is blazing.
I know.
Yeah.
RM2 tu boleh ni call. RM2.
It's still flat. Yeah, still flat. Cannot see the difference.
Wrap lah for today. Dah lama juga lah kita tak macam ni kan. Last time tahun lepas ke, hujung tahun lepas so ni this the big setup. We will ajak akak lagi. Kita akan ajak akak lagi. So next stay tuned for the next apa? Dia bukan meet up pun, actually just nak hang out dengan member-member kan. Lepak-lepak pun shoot. Kita orang just buat kan, lepak-lepak chill.
It's a chill time. How was the shoot?
It was so amazing. I'm so happy because I met you.
Yay! I've made a new friend.
Yeah, new friends. I'm Sarah from Syria.
I couldn't find my car, guys. I'm like literally just walking from the starting point. Luckily I took a photo, but I really can't find my car. Shit. Where are you, my little Myvi? I think it's close. I think it's behind here, if I'm not mistaken. It's D2. Okay. Oh, I think I see it. Okay guys, just got in my car. I'm gonna drive back home. It was a very good day. Make good new friends. Meet up with a beautiful model, beautiful talents, and yeah, that's all for the vlog for today. I'm just gonna drive and I'm gonna chill for the rest of my day. Thank you for watching.